This 2024 Winnebago Vita 24P is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features a Oasis Cream Sonoma interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, LP detector, spare tire kit, awning, stovetop burner, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, rear bath. This 2024 Winnebago Vita 24P is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.